Hi everyone, I'm hoping you all are doing fine. In this video, we'll discuss about all the details related with May 2021 campus placement. How many companies come and what will be the highest package, average package, and how many candidates got placed in recent campus placement. Apart from this, a second important information for the those students who are appearing in campus placement. Yes, between June and July, a second phase of campus placement will also take place. You will also soon institute will also upload the schedule for those in which how many companies are also coming in second phase. Apart from this, those candidates need not to pay any further amount. You have already paid 4,000. Second phase include the amount of 4,000. So you need not to pay a single amount this time also. So we'll see the discuss all the details here. So in the institute side, ICMI here. The highest package is 22 lakh offered by Accenture. Apart from this, the average package is 10 lakh. Let's come here. So you will see here first phase details and the second phase. If we click the second phase, then it is showing that to be updated shortly. So whenever we'll receive the information, surely I will also update. First, we'll discuss about how many candidate got placed. So 360 candidate got placed. More than 360 candidate got placed during first phase, which is the highest the record of all time. Okay, but we need to understand this is a pandemic, coronavirus pandemic, and around 199 you can see that candidate got selected by Accenture itself, and 160 remaining selected by 160 you can see that selected by the other remaining 15 companies. In Telegram channel, I have also shared the all the details related with campus placement. Okay, Excel sheet. So more than 360 around 199 got selected by campus placement by Accenture. So let's see the details. Olam 26 qualified candidate from Chennai, Lafarge 1 from Mumbai, ABB 3 from Chennai, Philips 8 from Chennai. These are the companies participated in campus placement. Vedanta 8 from Chennai, Vedanta 6 from Delhi, Vedanta 7 from Mumbai, ABB 1 from Chennai, ITC Printing and Packaging Division 2 from Chennai, ITC Internal Audit Division 1 from Kolkata, CET Limited 1 from Chennai, Capita 2 from Mumbai, Kalpatro 10 from Delhi, Apex 7 from Chennai, 3 from Delhi, 2 from Kolkata, 13 from Mumbai. Invenio 3 from Chennai, 7 from Delhi, and 2 from Mumbai. Engineers India Limited 2 from Delhi. Accenture had hired 199, 21 from second wave 2 from Chennai, 10 from Delhi, 4 from Kolkata, 9 from Mumbai. I will also see the all the how many further candidate hired by Accenture in the letter sheet in the below. NBCC 3 from Delhi, Kanzero 15 from Chennai, Kalpatro 20 from Kolkata. Kalpatro has also had a good amount. NBCC, we need such kind of organization like Kalpatro, hire too many candidates, Accenture. If we get on 10 companies like Accenture or Kalpatro, so I can assure that more than 360 candidates also got placed in campus placement. So we need such kind of organization. Like if any organization hiring one or two, rather than if we are getting those organizations, we are hiring in bulk. This will be a beneficial for every organization, every institute like CMA also. NBCC 2 from Chennai, C8 1 from uh, Chennai, C8 1 from Kolkata. Like, look at this, C8 hiring one. Rather than we have to focus on those organizations who are hiring at least 7, 10, 12, 15. C8 is hiring one from Chennai, one from Mumbai. My suggestion to rather than C8, we need to like look at this. Accenture 5 from Kolkata, 35 from 34 from Delhi, 28 from Mumbai, and look at that 58 from Chennai. So this kind of organization we need. 22 lakh are offering by Accenture. Accenture Technology 5 from Kolkata as a analyst. Accenture Advanced Technology 25 qualified from SAP Financial Analyst. Vedanta 5 from Kolkata. So this is the detail related with 22 is the highest package offered by Accenture, and 10 is the average package. More than 360 candidate, around 199 candidate, you can say selected by Accenture. So yes, we need these kind of organization like Accenture, Kalpatro, who are hiring at least organization had at least 15 from one regional particular revision. If any is hiring one from one particular revision, rather than we need to focus on those organizations who are hiring in bulk. So this is the all about of campus placement May 2021. Yes, in between June and July, there is also the second phase of campus placement. I will also share the information whenever I get the information related with how many candidates got placed in second phase. Apart from this, you can say that you need not to pay any amount, or the further you can say that the separate regional also bring such kind of organization, and they will directly mail to those recently qualified CMA. So all recently qualified CMA need to you can say focus on your mail ID. You need to check your mail ID at once in a while in a day, or two in a while in a day. So those who are in foundation, inter or final can take all the details related with campus placement. Still you have any doubt or need any guidance related with campus placement, I have also prepared a separate video, and each and every aspect related with campus placement I have already covered. Still you need any guidance, you can ask me, and surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about in this video, and whenever I'll get the information related with second phase, how many candidates got placed in second phase, surely I will also make such kind of videos. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.